Excessive hand practice side effects. Masturbation is a widespread problem in males. Almost every adult and man masturbate in their life at least once. But some people don't control masturbation, which becomes a bad habit. As time passes, people start suffering from the side effects of masturbation. The subject eventually loses his sexual stamina and becomes weak when this continues. Side effects of masturbation. Impotence. Less sperm count. Erectile dysfunction. Curvature in penis. Back pain. Infertility. Penis shrinkage. Body weakness. Mental illness. Decreased sexual sensitivity. Herbal supplements. Men suffering from masturbation problems and sexual weakness can use herbal supplements to leave the habit of hand practice and get more stamina and strength to perform well in bed. We highly recommend No Fall capsules, Maha Rasayan capsules, and King Cobra oil. The trio is one of the best natural remedies to cure masturbation effects in the online market. These capsules supplement nutrients, restore hormonal balance, energize sluggish organs, and promote blood flow. This trio of remedies helps you to overcome sexual weakness. It is entirely natural and 100% side effects free. People need to follow a fitness regime that will be given to them when they buy these supplements in a pamphlet in the packet itself. Yoga and exercise are also recommended, along with these natural remedies and pills. Other tips to overcome masturbation effects. Avoid pornography. To stop masturbating, you should avoid watching porn movies, images, and websites. If you can place a barrier between you and porn content, it can help break the habit. Stay active. Finding outlets for energy release can replace the masturbating habit. You can consider taking up a new hobby or learning a new skill as an example. Do exercise. Exercise is a very effective way to overcome masturbation. Running, swimming, and weightlifting can strengthen the body. Wear extra clothes at night. You should wear an extra layer of clothes to reduce the sensation if you rub yourself. Conclusion. The trio of No Fall capsules, Maha Rasayan capsules, and King Cobra oil is the best solution to the weakness that occurs from masturbation in men. When used in combination, they improve male power and stamina. World's finest masturbation recovery supplements.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy No Fall, Maha Rasayan capsules, and King Cobra oil from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.